If you guys are having a hard time becoming a member with Navy Federal Credit Union, then you guys are not going to be able to get a credit card with them because you have to be a member to get a credit card with them. Now, when I went to get a credit card with Navy Federal, I called over the phone and they asked questions. They asked, how did I qualify? I told them that my granddad was in the Navy. I didn't have to send in verification. I didn't have to do anything. She just said, okay. And I got my membership. And I asked her, hey, when can I apply for credit cards? And she told me that I can apply like right away. I did not have to wait. But if you guys can't get that membership, you just can't get a credit card or any accounts with Navy Federal. You know, it is what it is. Now let's check out some of the Navy Federal credit cards, because people don't understand that if you guys want to get a credit card with Navy Federal, you got to have that membership. And let's look over, let's actually let's go ahead and look over like the credit cards that they have, and then also look over just like the requirements for you guys to even get an account with them. So I just got like their basic savings account at first, and then I went in ahead and got my credit card. So they have different rewards. They have the cash rewards, the platinum, the gold rewards, their flagship rewards, their American Express, and then they have their secure credit cards. So these are the credit cards that you guys will be able to pre-qualify for, because you guys can pre-qualify for their credit cards without a hard inquiry, but you have to already be a member to be able to do that. And then you can see that they have the different type of accounts here that you guys can get. Let's go ahead and click on, am I eligible to be able to get this membership? So you have to be active duty, retired, or vet, and then your family member. So when it come down to getting a membership with Navy Federal, I don't know where to put this at because they got this live chat right here. Is blocking, but hopefully you guys can still see it. So family members, your parents, grandparents, spouse, siblings, your children, even adopted and stepchildren, your grandchildren, household members, as long as they are one of these here, then you are able to also join. So that is something to think about. And then the Department of Defense, if you guys have any of this going on, then you can be able to get the membership and then minor membership. So if you're an existing member and a parent, grandparent, guardian of a minor, then you can go ahead and get them an account. And I'm going to actually sign my daughter up with an account with Navy Federal. And this is the information that they're going to need for you guys to join. I do suggest that you guys just call them though. They said you can call or just apply in a branch. If you guys try to do it and you guys can get in, if you guys really want to get in, I would go in a branch if I can. I would call them and I would do an application online, but I would just do whatever it would take for me to actually get an account with them if you really care about it. But if you can't get an account with them, you cannot get a credit card with them because you have to have an account. You have to be a member. Well, you have to be a member. So hopefully you guys are